Well, that didn't work. The video recorded sideways. Anyway, I've been really sick lately. I'm sick now. I've had food poisoning like 6 times in the last 2 months. I mean, I hope it feels like food poisoning, but I don't know. So I'm going to the doctor in a minute. But one thing that'll make me feel better is this box here. It says BRIDE Japan on it. It's for that blue car. So I'll get it open and we'll see what's inside. All right. As you can probably see in the background, we're actually moving house. We've lived here for 12 years just about. And in fact, my daughter, who is 12, has never known living in another house. So it'll be a little bit sad to let this house go, but unfortunately the price of houses in this area have just gone through the roof, and I do have some money saved, almost enough for a house deposit, but not in this area, unfortunately. And it's mainly not the deposit, it's servicing the loan. So, you know, like a house like this that the owners I think bought for about $500,000 is now selling for $1.4 million ish, I reckon. It'd be interesting to see how much they sell it for. But anyway, we've got 2 weeks left, so we have to move all this stuff. And I thought, what a great time to buy a seat for my car. I've never bought a new seat. Oh, that's good. I was worried because in the description it said it had a black. Said it had the black. Can you guys see that? It said it had black backing, and I was looking forward to having silver, which it does. So stoked with that. It is obviously a genuine BRIDE seat. I've never owned a genuine BRIDE seat before. Got plenty of bubble wrap now for moving, and another giant box to put stuff in. There's my seat rail for the WRX. So get this out of the way. Excuse me. Yeah, so here it is. Now what I got was oh, that's nice. It is CUSCO Collab Zeta IV. See if we can prop this back up again. This mount is really wonky. All right, let's move this bubble wrap over here. Let's put this. Oh yeah, look at that. It's nice and light. First ever fixed back too. So my seats in the Cresta are Zeta 3 copies, which are Zeta 3 copies, which are recliners, whereas this is a fixed back. Oh, and yes, I only just fit. So, better not put too much more weight on, but there you go. My new genuine CUSCO BRIDE seat. That is sick. And I figured that I would splurge on something like this, because it's something that you can keep and, you know, transfer from car to car. So if I do ever fulfill my dream of owning a Silvia, I'll be able to take this seat from the WRX, put it into the Silvia. But there you go. Zeta 3, quite narrow. I was 36-inch waist. I've lost a fair bit of weight. I'd say I'm probably a 34-inch waist at the moment. And it's tight on the hips. I mean, it is meant to hold you nice and tight. But, yeah, if I was any bigger, it would be too small. So, yeah, I got to watch my diet, I guess. But, yeah, there you go. If you liked the seat unveiling, leave us a like. And yeah, that's about it. That's the seat rail. I'm not going to bother trying to get that out. I'm going to read the manual, see what this little electrical cable here is for. I wonder if it's... No, I don't know what it's for. Yeah, we'll have to find out. So anyway, thanks for watching. Click subscribe to see the seat in the car. Thanks for watching.